Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series 100 Tips for Editors. Today we're diving into tip number 12, a rule that can make or break the rhythm of your video. Don't linger on your shots for too long. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You've captured this absolutely stunning, beautiful shot. The lighting is perfect, the composition is flawless, and you want your audience to soak in every single detail. It's tempting to just let it play, right? You feel like you need to justify the effort you put into getting that perfect take. But here's the hard truth. Holding a shot for too long is one of the quickest ways to lose your viewer's attention. Let's think about why. Our brains are wired for novelty and information. When we watch a video, we're constantly scanning for new input. A static shot, no matter how beautiful, provides the same information after the first couple of seconds. Once the viewer has processed the image, their mind starts to wander. They might get bored, check their phone, or worse, click away to another video. Your beautiful shot suddenly becomes the reason they left. So, how long is too long? Well, there's no single magic number. It completely depends on the context and the purpose of the shot. A good rule of thumb is what I call the information-emotion rule. Ask yourself two questions. First, what information is this shot conveying? And second, what emotion is this shot supposed to evoke? Let's break that down. For informational shots, like a B-roll clip illustrating a point you're making, the duration should be just long enough for the viewer to understand what they're seeing. For example, if you're talking about making coffee and you show a shot of beans being ground, you only need 2 to 3 seconds. The viewer sees the grinder, sees the beans, gets the point, and is ready for the next piece of information. Anything longer feels redundant. Now, for emotional shots, you have a bit more leeway. Let's say you have a dramatic slow-motion shot of a bride shedding a tear, or a majestic drone shot of a mountain sunrise. Here, the goal isn't just information, it's to make the audience feel something. You can hold these shots longer, maybe 5, 6, or even 7 seconds, to let that emotion sink in. The key is to match the shot's duration with the emotional beat you're trying to hit. But even here, be careful. There's a fine line between impactful and indulgent. The real secret to mastering this is paying attention to pacing. Great editing is like music. You have fast beats and slow beats that work together to create a rhythm. A sequence of quick cuts can build excitement and energy. Then you can use a slightly longer, more deliberate shot to provide a moment of rest. Emphasize a key point, or let an emotional moment breathe. It's this contrast that keeps the audience engaged. If every shot is long, the pace drags. If every shot is super short, it can feel chaotic and exhausting. A practical exercise you can try is the blink test. As you're editing, watch your timeline. If you find yourself blinking, yawning, or your mind starting to wander during a specific clip, it's probably too long. Your own internal attention span is a great indicator of your audience's. Trust your gut. If it feels slow to you, it will definitely feel slow to them. Remember, your job as an editor is to guide the viewer's experience. Every cut is a decision that either holds their attention or gives them an excuse to leave. By keeping your shots concise and purposeful, you respect your viewer's time and create a much more dynamic and engaging final product. Don't be afraid to kill your darlings and cut down those beautiful long takes. Often a shorter, impactful shot serves the story far better than a long, lingering one. That's all for tip number 12. I hope this helps you tighten up your edits and keep your audience glued to the screen. If you found this tip useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more editing advice. We've got 88 more tips to go. Let me know in the comments how you decide the length of your shots. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.